So between Elementor free version and the Elementor Pro, which one should I use? This is a question I often receive. In this video, I'm going to show you the difference between the two so that you can make an informed decision. If you're coming across my channel for the very first time, I am Faith. I'm a digital marketer and a web designer. I help business owners build professional websites with WordPress, WooCommerce, and Shopify. And on this channel, I teach complete beginners e-commerce, digital marketing, and web design with WordPress. So stick around. Let's get right into it. So what is Elementor in the first place? Elementor is just a simple page builder you can install as a plugin into your WordPress website and use it to beautify and customize your web pages, and they look attractive. So the free version comes with a lot of widgets. These widgets are absolutely free. You can use them to design a basic web page, right? While the pro version has pro features, those ones are paid. You can use it to extend the functionalities you want to add on your WordPress website. So let me take, for instance, the test widget is free. There are some other widgets that are free, but there are ones that are paid, and I'm going to show you in details these ones that are free and the ones that are paid so that you can pick the one you need. But so far, I've used the free version to design a complete web page and it comes out neat. Just know this, that you must not use the pro one to design a good website. You only need the pro one to get access to the pro features that you want. And there are some other plugins that can complement Elementor, like the add-ons, Elementor add-ons like Element Kits. You have essential add-ons. Those particular add-ons, they help you get some of those widgets when you install them, and then you can use them to design your web pages. But that is not the main thing. The main thing is for you to understand that the free version is enough for you as a complete beginner to design whatever thing you want. So if you want to do some other advanced stuff, you can use the pro version. So if you want to get the pro version, I will leave the link to Elementor in the description of this video so that you can click on it and get access to it if you want it. But if you don't want it, I have personally built a lot of Elementor websites without the pro version. That is simple. So if you love this video, consider subscribing to my channel, and in my subsequent videos I'm going to teach you how to design any kind of website, both e-commerce website, blog websites, agency websites, with WordPress and Elementor. You're not going to write any single line of code. Stick around. See you in my next video.